Hey everyone, welcome to California Charm. I'm Charmagne, your host, and I'm in studio today with
Yoli Poulter from Truth in Time podcast.
Well, yesterday we were in studio and we did an audio about Reuteri yogurt from Dr. William Davis's book, Super Gut.
Yes, great book.
So we're going to tell you how to make it. You can listen to the podcast. It goes into more detail, but we're going to give you the ingredients, exactly how to make it, and we're going to try to do this quick. Are you ready?
Yes.
Here we go.
So, like Charmagne said, we've had a number of messages and wanting to know how to make this. So we've given the ingredients on the audio and listed it on our Instagram pages, but the way to make it is also, let's give you the step-by-step. And so you definitely want to start off with a yogurt maker. So I use an Instapot as my yogurt maker.
And I use the Ultimate.
Yeah, yogurt maker.
Yes.
So you need that. That's number one. And the second thing you need to get are glass jars with lids. And when you get those, make sure to sterilize those for about 10 minutes.
If they're new.
If they're brand new.
Sanitize your jars.
For sure.
Then you're going to start for your first batch. We put all of everything you needed in the, what do you call those? They're not show notes. They're a description below the audio. So we did all that for you. So you can go right to Amazon, get whatever you need. But if you have an Instapot, don't worry. You just have to get the inulin and the BioGeo tablets to start.
Yep.
So you start out with your organic half and half. Then what?
Then be sure to buy the inulin powder. It's a fiber powder. We listed that again on Amazon. You'll need that. There's a package, and you just buy a package of that from Amazon. It'll last you quite a while.
Quite a while.
And then the other thing you'll need to get,
the BioGeo tablets. They're the probiotic tablets that are actually going to create the fermentation as they feed off the inulin fiber.
Yes, and that's what helps restore your gut and help it with that.
But that's all in the podcast.
Yeah.
We're going to try and do this quick. Are you ready?
Oh, yeah. So
Here we go. Okay, get your glass jar.
Yes.
You're going to crush those 10 tablets in a glass jar. Don't use plastic bag. I did it. It didn't work. It contaminated my whole yogurt.
Ruined it.
Crush, crush, crush into a fine, fine powder. You're going to mix those 10 tablets in your glass bowl with 2 tablespoons of the inulin.
Yes. And then
the powder, the tablets, the powder from the tablets, just dump all of that in with 2 tablespoons from your 4 cups of organic half and half. Then you're going to make your paste.
It up as a paste.
Yep.
Once you mix it up as a paste, after that, then you're going to pour the remaining half and half in there, and you're going to stir that up really well. And once that's done, then you're going to pour those into each of your jars until that's done.
In the Instapot, do you need to fill your Instapot with warm water?
I do not.
Okay. So in the Ultimate, you will fill the yogurt maker with water up to where the yogurt line is in your jars. Just not above it and not below it, just exactly where it is. Then on the Ultimate, you just click your button to 100 degrees temperature. The next button, push, push, push to 36 hours. Once you push it again after you've done the 36, put the lid on. You're done. Literally 3 minutes. Set your timer or your alarm for 36 hours later because you do not want to miss taking it out and sticking it in the fridge for a couple hours.
Well, I was going to go back with the Instapot real quick. With Instapot, you can set it for 36 minutes.
Hours.
I'm sorry, 36 hours. Sorry, 36 hours. You can set it up for 36 hours.
Yes.
So, and that's easy. And there's a yogurt button. And you just make sure it's on normal.
Yep.
But you were saying about the first batch?
The first batch that I've made, and I've done it probably 4 times now with a new batch because we've gone on vacation and I don't have a starter, is it comes out lumpy. It comes out, I don't know if it's like cottage cheese or it's fine. You can still eat it, but the
good.
second batch that you use your starter, now you've got your starter. Just think of it as a sourdough starter. The next batch, instead of using the 10 tablets, you take 2 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of your half and half, and 2 tablespoons of your inulin. Mix it in a paste, add the rest of the 4 cups, stir, 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 put them into your jars, and there you've got, and the next batch comes out amazing.
Yes. So with mine, I don't know, do you tighten your lids? I don't.
I don't tighten them. They come with a plastic lid. You just put the lid on it, and yes, I always put the lids on.
Yeah, so with the Instapot, I just lay it on top. So.
Literally, guys, it's so easy.
36 hours, you got amazing
I have
yogurt.
a friend who says, Charm, I can't do it. It takes too long.
Super easy.
We don't have any of the ingredients or anything here right now in studio, but I would have showed you, and literally it would have taken you 3 minutes. So the benefits
Yes.
are so amazing, so good. Go listen to the audio podcast on.
Yes, and you'll hear all of it. You can find us on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and anywhere else that you can listen to your podcast, because we're also on
Anywhere?
iHeartRadio. And,
Anywhere?
Yeah, anywhere.
Are you sure?
But make sure to
Except for
subscribe.
YouTube.
And
No-
when you
no
listen,
YouTube
make
yet.
sure to like and subscribe. That really helps us.
Yes, and we hope this helps you because you're going to
Yes.
feel amazing.
Yes.
Go listen to the podcast.
California charm, feel the breeze, feel the sun. Tuned in now, you're the lucky one. Every voice, every vibe, everyone. California charm, the best is yet to come.